Hey everyone, my name is Joseph Durkin and you can call me the Hiking Chef. Today I'm located in Big Bear, California on the South Shore, specifically off of Highway 18 and Mill Creek Road. Today we have a special adventure and we'll be hiking one of my favorite trails in Big Bear, Pine Knot and the Skyline Ridge Trail. While I'm on the Skyline Ridge Trail, I plan on showing you how to cook one of my favorite pasta dishes, Carbonara Pasta. This is one of the most simplest pasta dishes you can make, super easy and super tasty. If all goes well, this is a 9.1 mile hike with 1,300 feet elevation gain. With all that being said, this is going to be a long day, so let's get started. Alright you guys, so while on the trail here, just starting out, I wanted to talk to you a little bit about the weather here in Big Bear, California. California's had a really nasty heat wave the past 3 weeks. It's probably been over 100 degrees almost every day. Then yesterday, July 31st, a monsoon came and brought a little bit of a cold front. I checked the weather here in Big Bear and it said 60% showers and thunder and lightning. So that should kind of make things interesting. Right now the weather has some blue spots, not too much gray, but driving up here I kept driving through on and off showers. Pretty gloomy. I'd like to try to get up there before any kind of storm comes through. But yeah, this trail is super beautiful. A little bit more scenic than most trails here in Big Bear. So needless to say, it looks like I'm getting lucky with the weather today. It's about 61 degrees up here, which makes it about 75 degrees down the hill. And when I got to the trailhead this morning, there is about 50 college kids, all runners, coming down the mountain. So I've only seen about one more person coming up this trail so far. And it's a Tuesday, so we shouldn't get too much foot traffic, which will be nice. All right, guys, I'll check in with you in a little bit. Alright guys, this is one of the reasons why I love Big Bear so much, is these huge massive boulders. It looks like my trail goes to the right and does a switchback and goes up this hill. So I'm going to take this little social path here and kind of cut it off, and we'll see what happens up here. It just looks like fun, and that's the whole reason why I'm out here, is to have fun. And here's my first view of the lake. All right, and here's that trail. It's kind of steep and slippery. I just want you guys to notice too, look how smooth this trail is. It is beautiful. Makes it great for trail running and just not tripping while hiking. Here's another little shortcut social trail. The reviews that we're reading was that there's a lot of trails that zigzag across this main loop, and they're right, there's a ton of them. So I keep checking my navigation, and I am actually taking this trail clockwise, and I haven't really seen anybody yet. Just one person went ahead of me. It's beautiful.
Big Bear Lake is located at an elevation of about 6,700 feet in the San Bernardino Mountains of Southern California. Big Bear Lake is a reservoir created by the Big Bear Dam, which was completed in 1884. It was originally built for irrigation purposes, but later became a popular recreational area.
I just got onto Knickerbocker Road, about a mile from Grandview Point, and I'm getting hungry. So if you stayed with me this long, I hope you look forward to learning how to cook pasta carbonara. So far the views and everything has been probably a 10 out of 10. Everything is super green, and I couldn't ask really for a more perfect day. Honestly, I feel really blessed to be here. So thanks for sticking with me so far, you guys, and I'll see you guys in a little bit.
The lake offers year-round activities including boating, fishing, hiking, and skiing in the winter. It's known for its versatility in outdoor recreation. The lake is home to a variety of fish species including rainbow trout, bass, catfish, and more. It's a popular spot for fishing enthusiasts. Surrounded by pine forests and mountains, the area offers a stunning scenic beauty. It's a great destination for nature lovers and photographers. Big Bear Lake and its surroundings have been used as filming locations for several movies and TV shows, thanks to its picturesque landscapes. Some famous movies and TV shows that were filmed in Big Bear Lake, California was City Slickers 2, The Legend of Curly's Gold, The Parent Trap, Die Hard 2, Buffy the Vampire Slayer, The Amazing Race, Grizzly Adams, and one of my personal favorites, The Hot Tub Time Machine.
Woo! Baby, that is gorgeous. All right, guys, that's Sanji right there. Beautiful. Almost no more snow, but it does look like they're getting some rain right now. So hopefully that doesn't move over this direction. I got nothing but blue skies where I'm at. This day has been one of the prettiest days I've hiked so far. So we're gonna kind of backtrack here just a couple inches. We're gonna head up here to Grandview Point. I'm about just a quarter mile away. Look at this. This is Grandview Point. What a view. Look at that. It is pouring rain on San Gorgonio right now. And that is Sugarloaf Peak up there. I believe that's the highest point in Big Bear. Oh, this is great. Let's check this out. All right, guys, the hiking chef here. I made it to Grand View Point. It has a stunning view of the 11 peaks right behind me. We got Gorgonio. We have San Bernardino East, San Bernardino Peak right over here, and you can get to that from Angeles Oaks right over here onto the right. Or if you wanted to summit San Gorgonio from the backside, the South Fork starts right over there too, which is a beautiful trail. I did that maybe about a year ago, so check that out. But I'm starving, and I have a special dish for you guys today. It's carbonara pasta, and we're gonna get started, so check it out. All right, guys, as always, let's start with ingredients first. For carbonara pasta, we're gonna start with pancetta, and this was already pre-diced. You can usually get it at any Italian market, or I think even Sprouts carries it. Then we have 3 eggs, medium-sized eggs, a little bit of olive oil, pepper, salt, about an 1/8 stick of butter, penne pasta. This was pre-cooked the night before. And lastly, my personal favorite, Romano cheese, straight from Sicily. And as a matter of fact, my wife's grandpa made this cheese by hand on his farm. He has a cheese farm. So this is Romano cheese from Sicily. This is the game changer for your carbonara pasta, is a good cheese. So there's not too much prep to do. So what we're gonna do first is whisk the eggs up and have them ready to go into the pan. This pasta goes really fast, so you kind of have to act quickly, and you also don't want to add the eggs in while the pan is too hot. Otherwise, the egg's gonna kind of scramble, and you want it more of a liquidy form. And we have to go really fast right now because the storm that was over San Gorgonio has now moved in right above me, and it could probably start raining at any second. So let's get started, you guys. All right, you guys, it's really starting to rain pretty hard here. I'm still going for it. Let's cook this carbonara pasta and get out of here. All right, you guys, the rain stopped for a few moments, so we're gonna get going on this carbonara pasta. First, we're gonna add our olive oil. Just need a little bit. Still kind of raining, you guys. All right, next we're gonna add all of our pancetta here. We're gonna just mix this up. Wow, I can't believe I got this started. It was raining pretty good. All my stuff is soaked, but honestly, I just stuck to it. And we got a good little fire going. We are going to add our pepper next. And I don't think I'm going to add any salt. This pancetta is a little salty already. But a good amount of pepper is going to make everything really pop. And you're not just seasoning the pancetta, you're also seasoning the pasta. Okay, at this point, we're gonna take it off the flame here. So we're just gonna turn this off. Okay, now that we got this pretty hot, we're gonna add our pasta and get that heated up as well. Today, I'm just using pre-cooked penne pasta. I'm gonna add all of that. And we are going to also add our butter, just like so. We're gonna stir this up. Looks good. Pasta is nice and hot. All right, guys, so my firelight still had some residual heat on it, which was like perfect to kind of just thicken this up. As you can see, it's starting to scramble a little bit. And you don't really want that, so you're just gonna keep mixing it, but this is looking really good. Now we are just gonna add that Romano cheese I told you guys about earlier. Holy crap, this looks freaking fantastic. Uh-oh, you guys. I'm starting to hear thunder and lightning. It's exciting over here. I got another storm coming over the mountain right above me. And I want to eat this and get out of here, get back home. All right. All right, everybody, this is the Hiking Chef. I'm up here in Big Bear. I'm gonna enjoy this beautiful carbonara pasta, enjoy the view. Thanks for watching, everybody. If you like this video, please hit that thumbs up button in the corner to like it. And if you also wanna see more cooking and hiking outdoors, please subscribe to my channel. I'll see you next time.